Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is transformation of energy, which is for class 9th. As energy exists in many different forms, one form of energy can be changed into another form. The change of one form of energy into another form of energy is known as transformation of energy. जब एनर्जी का एक फॉर्म चेंज होगा इनटू another form, that is known as transformation of energy. I will give an example how this energy transformation of energy takes place. Suppose a stone is lying on the roof of a house. So in this position, all the energy of the stone is in the form of potential energy. When the stone is dropped from the roof, it starts moving downwards towards the ground, and the potential energy of stone starts changing into kinetic energy. As the stone continues falling downwards, its potential energy goes on decreasing because its height goes on decreasing, but its kinetic energy goes on increasing because its velocity goes on increasing. In other words, the potential energy of the stone gradually gets transformed into kinetic energy, and by the time stone reaches the ground, its potential energy becomes zero and entire energy will be in the form of kinetic energy. So from this we conclude that when a body is released from a height, then the potential energy of the body is gradually transformed or changed into kinetic energy. यानी अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हम लेंगे एक स्टोन, अगर हम उसको रखेंगे ऑन द रूफ ऑफ ए हाउस, छत मकान के छत पर, तो वहाँ पर जो इसकी एनर्जी होगी दैट इज़ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. जब हम उसको रिलीज़ करेंगे, ड्रॉप करेंगे फ्रॉम द रूफ, वो मोशन में आएगा, नीचे की तरफ आएगा, ग्राउंड की तरफ, तो उसकी जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है वो चेंज हो जाएगी इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो हम कहेंगे कि जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हम रिलीज़ करेंगे फ्रॉम ए हाइट, इसकी जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी वो चेंज होगी इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. द रिवर्स हैपन्स व्हेन अ पीस ऑफ स्टोन इज थ्रोन अपवर्ड्स. इसके बरक्स अगर हम यहाँ से कोई स्टोन थ्रो करेंगे अपवर्ड्स, उसकी जो so when a body is thrown upwards, the kinetic energy of body is gradually transformed into potential energy. यानी जितना वो ऊपर हाइट की तरफ जाएगा उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी, लेकिन उसकी जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है वो बढ़ जाएगी. सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी गेट्स चेंज्ड इनटू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. दिस इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. नाउ एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एट हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर हाउस. जो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर हाउस जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है, वहाँ पर कैसे एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाती है. एट ए hydroelectric power house, a dam is built on a river. The river water collects behind the dam to form a reservoir. Water stored behind the dam has a lot of potential energy, but as such, this potential energy is of no use to us. If, however, this water is allowed to fall from its great height, the potential energy of water changes into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of the falling water is used to drive huge water wheels or turbines which are connected to electricity generators for producing electricity. Thus, at a hydroelectric powerhouse, the potential energy of water is transformed into kinetic energy and then into electrical energy. यानी जो वहाँ पर वाटर होता है उसमें पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी, तो जब उसको रिलीज़ करेंगे फ्रॉम हाइट तो इसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है वो चेंज हो जाएगी इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. उसके बाद दैट चेंज टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट हो जाती है वहाँ पर. दिस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी गेट्स चेंज इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी देन गेट्स चेंज इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. नाउ एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एट थर्मल पावर हाउस. At a thermal power house, coal is used to produce electricity. So when coal is burnt, the chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy. This heat energy converts water into steam. The high pressure steam turns the steam turbines, changing the heat energy into kinetic energy. The turbines run electricity generators which convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. So thus at a thermal powerhouse, chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy, which is further converted into kinetic energy and electrical energy. So chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy, then heat energy is changed into kinetic energy is changed into electrical energy. So this is the transformation of energy.